everybody, Lumiastream here from Lumiastream. I am so excited to show off this new plugin with the Stream Deck. I think it's going to blow your minds how incredibly powerful this feature is mixed with Lumiastream. We've made it as easy as possible for you guys to be able to connect your Stream Deck with Lumiastream. First, I'm going to show you guys how to set everything up. The first step, go to your Stream Deck, into your settings, and make sure that you're at least on version 7.4. Once you're updated, you're going to see Elgato's MCP integration option. Make sure that's enabled. Now, where you would normally see your Stream Deck, you can go ahead and click on that, and you're now going to see a drop-down menu with the MCP actions. As of right now, you have 36 buttons that you're going to be able to run using Lumiastream. When you know which buttons you want Lumiastream to trigger, go ahead and put them in this section. Now, if you're like me and you have a ton of buttons, I like to just Control-C and Control-V them so it's quick and easy. Now head over to Lumiastream in the plugin section and you'll see Stream Deck Actions. Next, hit the install button and you'll have a pop-up menu. This is just explaining exactly what I just did here for you guys. Now let me show you how to create these commands. It's as simple as head into our command section, add a new command, and within Action, you're going to go under Action Source under Integration Stream Deck Actions. From here, you'll be able to choose which button Lumiastream triggers from your Stream Deck. Make sure you hit Add Action and move on to the next step. From here, make sure to rename your command. You can choose who's going to be able to use these commands. For me, I'm going to make sure that it's just on streamer only. However, this second button, I'm actually going to choose to allow me and my mods to use them. Because if you're anything like me, sometimes I zoom in my camera and I completely forget to unzoom out. So instead of people being able to see the gameplay, they're just seeing my face on the screen. And for me, I'm going to hit skip queue because I want to make sure as soon as I want this command to be run, it's going to be ran immediately. And yes, I can leave you guys with that, but I'm going to take it one step further. With Lumiastream 9.0 being released, we've also released voice commands. So let me show you what happens when you pair the voice commands plus our plugin system. Head over to our voice command, make sure it's enabled, and hit Add Bind. Now name this what you want and go ahead and find the command that you want to run with it. In this case, I want to bind it to my zoom and unzoom. And of course, for me, I'm going to bind it to two separate things because I want to have voice commands for each of them. Of course, you're going to set it up for whatever your needs are, so this could look very different for you. For this example, you guys are seeing the Lumiastream website, but my community would see my game here. At some point, somebody in the chat is going to say something, and I'm going to want to use my button to zoom in on my face and do a few effects. Now, all I have to do is say, chat, come here. And what that's going to do is going to change my OBS source, so then it's going to go to my big camera, have my effects going in the back, have my lights, have the audio going. And then once that's done and I want to go back, all I have to do is say, all right, chat, let's get back to the game. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to transfer right back over to my game source. It's going to go back to my little camera and everything's going to run smoothly. If you have any questions or features you would like to see added on Lumiastream, please make sure to comment, like this video, and subscribe to the channel.